Welcome to the unboxing video of DS-KIS602 Hikvision IP Video Intercom Kit, also known as IP Video Door Phone. IP Video Door Phone is the next generation solution which can be installed in a single home, multi-apartment or a business for simple and stylish ambience. The key component of kit are Pro Series indoor station with 7-inch touchscreen monitor. It comes with 32 GB expandable slot for image recording and 8-channel sensor connectivity. It also comes with Wi-Fi connectivity for mobile app. The door station comes with 2-megapixel camera with 180-degree fisheye angle, night vision and WDR feature. It also comes with a standard PoE switch and a 16 GB memory card. With Hikvision IP Video Door Phone, you can extend your security system for complete situational awareness. These robust, vandal-resistant devices fit perfectly in any indoor and outdoor environment, the best-in-class choice for the residential and office buildings.